Sinelo. Iyamudu, Iyabura, Iyawunja, Yamudu, Yamuku. Don't worry, pa. I go carry you go Mecca. You go Mecca. You go come be Alaji. Alaji Sinelo. Alaji Sinelo. Yeah. What are you doing with my woman? Your woman? Why you they calling me your woman? Amy, you don't put something for my head. Will you be your matana?
Mohammed, you my friend, you that I trusted, you had the mind to betray me, Mohammed. You had the mind to betray me.
Me wanna, waiting me, cause
come close to me. I'll slap the head out of you. Are you mad?
That
if you come close to me, Mohammed, I'll bust your head. Achilelo, what are you doing there?
Please, don't harass me. This is how you go about harassing women, you see?
Oh,
Chinelo, follow me. Chinelo, I said follow me.
Don't they call Chinelo your matana? You don't put something for her head. I go dagger me.
Hey, leave me!
I go dagger me. What? That chukubenki, that waruka dash, that inazoinki.
Mohammed, Aboki, in my own land, you want to dagger me?
Your papa na Aboki, your mama Aboki, me Aboki. I go dagger me one light, a small be like that chukubenki.
Wait! I know you want to do all this now. I am ready to kill that Aboki. Aboki in my own land. Collected my woman on the pondant of Miam Daga. I am ready to kill that Aboki. I will not get taken me a prisoner.
Don't worry.
I am ready.
Sorry. I will not allow you to kill anybody. Wait.
You will not allow me to kill anybody.
Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Please.
Leave me alone now.
No.
Now leave me alone.
Wait.
Leave me alone. Hey! Aboki in my own land.
Mama! Run for your leg!
Nonsense, Mohammed!
Mama! Look!
You need extra oil. Yes, I don't need it. Come on. I know I like what I got. Madam, relax. I just be small now.
How you say this being small?
My
sister, you know the enter market. Do you know the price of beans in the market today? Madam, relax. Now go say my customer. Let me give you this. How many for more?
You be well now. Be your customer now.
See now, since I give you better big for more. Now go say my customer. Another person no go do one like this. Thank you, yeah?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, now. It's been 4 minutes, 2 seconds, and you be saying at me, what's up?
You're too fine. I'm just happy the woman that got you.
Keep flattering me. Tell me, you're hungry, right?
See? So how do you know that I'm hungry?
Because I know you.
Yes, I'm hungry.
So, I know what you want to eat. But tell me, would you like mineral or multiple with it? Come on.
Okay, I'll go with
Mineral. Okay, let me just rush and then I'll go and do. Brother. Jane, what is it? Calm down.
It's Mama. Oh.
Mama.
I don't know what is wrong with her. She's struggling to breathe.
Mama? What do you mean struggling to breathe?
Mama is dying.
Okay.
Honey, please be careful. I'll just close the shop and come, okay? Mama. Oh my God. Jane. Hey, Mama. Oh, Mama.
Mama.
Well, let's go to the hospital.
Rush and go, okay? Mama.
Keo. Hey. Keke.
Mama. Run. Mama.
What are
is in the hospital.
Your mother? Your mother is in the hospital? Your mother that I saw this morning coming back from the church?
She's in the hospital and Brother Ifeanyi is there with her.
Jesus Christ.
I have to go now.
My love, I understand that the burden on your shoulder is quite heavy. I know it's not easy on you. But being moody and overthinking things will not solve any problem. You need to stop.
How can I stop? How can I stop thinking when my mother is lying critically ill in the hospital? I can't even do anything. Nothing. Huh? If not that you came, what would I have done?
Well, I came at the time I did because I'm your wife. You have to understand that God created us women to help you shoulder your responsibility. That's why we are partners. He called us the wives, your helpmate. And that, my love, I promise to be for you. Come on, cheer up.
Just look at me. A graduate. I went to school with the aim of getting a good job and help my family. Now it looks like my family is now the one helping me. I can't even boast of ordinary 30,000 naira in my account. If not for your bole business, and sometimes you get money there and help. I mean, how? Well, now I can't get just didn't know. Is this what I'll be doing?
Honey, stop. Why are you lamenting? A living dog is better than a dead lion. Trust me. As long as there's life, there's hope. Listen, we can still live the life we promise to give to each other. You just need to be patient with yourself. Come on, stop overthinking things. Everything is going to be fine. Okay? Come on, look at me. Stop. I'm here for you. Stop.
Oh, brother, good morning.
Good morning. How is Mama?
Brother, she could not get enough sleep, not until this morning.
Okay.
She was in pain throughout. Are you going out?
Yes, the people owing me, I want to run around to raise money.
This is the prescription the doctor gave me.
40,000. Okay, just hold it. Let me just run around. You want to bring food for her?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Please be careful.
Fine. But I hope she's getting better.
Brother, she's not, I don't even know what the doctors are saying. She's just still there in the hospital. Don't worry, honey. You understand? She's just there.
Mama that I saw yesterday morning that was coming back from church is now the one in the hospital.
My brother, even before you saw her that yesterday, Mama woke up strong yesterday, made what we ate, only for them to call me later in the day that she slumped. How? The whole thing is just surprising to me. I don't understand. There was no sign of weakness. There was no sign of...
She was not sick.
She was all strong. All strong. Oh, shit. The thing now is, the doctors, according to them, she needs to take, there's one injection, they said one dose is 40,000, and she needs to take 2. I need to buy it as soon as possible. And the only place I can get it is, he said, either Owerri or Oka or all these big government hospitals, or Owerri or Aba.
Yes.
The medicine is 40,000, and she needs to take, but even though it's one first, the 40,000, let me just buy it and give to her. Because if you can borrow me any money, please, I will give you back next week. It might not even be up to next week. I will give you the money. Please.
Annie, to be honest, this is a big problem. You know I don't have that money.
Ah.
If I have, I'll give you. The business, everything is down right now as I'm talking to you. If I have, I'll give you.
Even if it's 20,000, at least I'm 20,000.
Why are you saying like this now? If I have money, I'll give you at least to save Mama's life first. Is there anybody you can call?
Brother, you did not succeed, I guess.
I don't know why people are so wicked. Everybody owing me. I've gone every excuse here and there. You pay me the money. At fact, you're owing me and I'm asking you for the money at this critical period. You're giving me excuses. There's one other person I'm expecting. That one said when he comes back, he will see what he can do. That's just where I am now.
Don't worry. Amara has given me the money already.
Amara gave you the money?
Yes. We need to go to the hospital and see Mama. She's alone.
Where is she?
She has gone to the shop.
She gave you the money?
Yes. Brother, let's go and see Mama. She's alone.
Okay, let's go.
Yes. I want you to give me everything. Everything? I don't think you can get everything, no. You know this is too short now.
See, the truth is, I need this money for my mother-in-law's hospital bill. Come on. I worked so hard to save this money with you people. I don't expect to work so much to get it back. Else I'll stop patronizing people even after this predicament is over.
Tamara, stop saying this now, eh? You know I'm just an errand girl. Okay, fine. Let's go and see my madam. I believe she will listen to you. Yes.
Okay, now let me just pack up and close the shop.
No
then
problem.
I'll go with you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love. Why are you seated here all alone?
I went to your shop. You were not there. Where did you go to?
Maybe you came at the time where I went to see Auntie Noye. I wanted to collect my daily contribution from her.
Oh, really? I thought they do bring it to you whenever you need it.
Yeah, they do, but I wanted to collect all the money. So they said I must sign for it. So I went to their office, I signed for it. But check your phone. I told them to send you the money, 120,000 naira. So you can go and release Mama from the hospital. Check your phone.
Look, this is supposed to be your business money. You gave me all of it.
What are you saying? Life is for the living. Business is for the living, right? Of what use is the money if we can't use it to help? Don't worry. Everything will fall into place. Business will still pick up at some point. Don't worry. Stop. Am I not your wife again? Am I not supposed to help you? Mama is waiting. Come on.
Look, now hear me out first. Why are you doing this now? Huh?
So let me tell you, Mika, there is nothing you will say to me that I will listen to you. Nothing at all.
Ha! I know I should have,
There you go again. I know, and yet you refuse to do the needful. Mika, tell me, how long have we been dating? 5 good years, and you've refused to propose to me. When will you come and see my parents? When?
I know. But baby, you know I love you. You know there's nothing that will make me not to marry you. I am for you, Emeka is for you. My body and soul is for you, baby. You understand everything. I'll stop doing this now.
Emeka, all I'm asking for you is to engage me. Put the ring on my middle finger, please.
see, listen, Chinelo, you see, putting a ring on your hand is not the problem. The problem here is doing the necessary things. You know I'm not buoyant. I can't see I'm managing my life. Chinelo, do you want me to go and steal all because I want to get married to you? It's very bad. Understand me. I love you and I'm here for you. If you want me to do anything for you, I can do anything for you. But just give me small time. Oberuge. And I'll come and do the necessary things.
Emeka, I love you. I love you. All I'm asking is just engage me. Then I will wait as long as you want. Emeka, please.
Nello. Chinelo.
Emeka, you don't need to blame Chinelo. Yeah? See, in this village now, engagement is the real deal. If you are dating a girl and with time like this, you did not engage her, my brother, it looks as if she's not dating the real man, no. So don't blame her.
Anayo, what are you even talking about? Must she join them? Bro, you're talking as if you're not a man enough. Eh? I've been with this girl for good 5 years. Is she not supposed to understand me? To know the things I like and the things I don't like? Eh?
My brother, my dear, they reason your own. These people, their brain is like, I don't know what to say about their brain. These people reason about now, just now. Anything you are telling these people is now they are looking at, not future.
So now the engagement now is the real love, eh?
That's what I'm seeing. No?
Yeah? The engagement is now the love.
Don't just blame her.
So once I engage her now, she will not know that Emeka loves her. Right?
No. But me, I tell you now, say, that this thing be the problem where they get. So look into you guys need to talk now. Two of you should talk. Are you not matured?
Why are you laughing? I don't understand. How could Emeka find it so difficult to buy me ordinary ring of 1,000 naira to engage me? Eh? He expects me to come to his house to perform the duty of a wife. Do you know that I do the cooking, I wash his clothes, clean his house, and also I satisfy him in bed? You are here laughing at me. I don't blame you.
Look, my friend, if I say I do not understand it, then I'm lying. Yes. Look, everybody have started talking about you and Emeka in this village. They think you guys are not serious.
Then why are you laughing? Sample with the truth is all over. Why are you not laughing? What's so funny here now? Imagine Juliet, that the boyfriend got engaged. She's sampling her ring like who owns a plot of land. Eh?
Is that one now that is your problem? That failed species of human race is what is bothering you right now. Who doesn't know about her level of pride and arrogance in this village? Oh, please.
Anyway, I don't mind Emeka. If Emeka refuses to get me a ring, he will not set his eyes on me again. I have said it.
Chichi. My friend.
Please leave me, Jare.
Keep to your ways.
I'm telling you, I'm serious. So, just ordinary. Put the ring here now. Let me be, parading myself that yes.
He will calm down.
He wants to be.
That is exactly what she told me. That if I don't have the ring to engage her, that I will not see her again. And can you imagine?
Eh? This is serious, oh. Chinelo that cannot stay one day without you.
Oh, now you're saying it?
Hey!
Now you're saying it.
This thing is becoming another thing. No?
And now your Chinelo looked me into my eyes and told me that if I don't have that ring, that I will never see her again.
Ha! Okay. My brother, someone is cultivating her farmland. Yes. and that person is with a bigger hole. For her to open her mouth and tell you this thing, that means that someone is coming and that person promised her marriage. You see? Check now.
Amara, my daughter, I don't know how to thank you for your selfless service. For bringing me out from the hospital, thank you. Thank you, Mom.
Mama, you don't have to thank me. You've been thanking me since we left the hospital. Are you not equally my mother as you are to my husband and Jane? You don't know, I'm family too now. Eh? Mama, you need to rest. Eh? Come. Be careful. Watch your step. Let's go.
Is the food not ready?
No. I've been blowing it. The firewood is not just burning fast at all. I don't know what's happening. Oh, thank you. This will make it smoke more now.
Thank you.
So this is what you both are doing, Abby? Brother, where is my own drink?
I don't understand. It is not my brother who bought me a drink. It's my husband that bought me a drink. So you know what? Go and get yourself a husband and stop interfering in married people's matters.
This one hot too. Don't worry, I will soon get married. And by the time I do, I will make sure I show some people shaking.
It's okay. I'll buy for you.
Yeah.
Come, where's Mama?
She's inside. Auntie Amara, please help me do the cooking.
As if you really want to do the cooking.
Get a fresher firewood. Get a fresher
but I want to
firewood.
get something.
The food will be ready. This is the firewood.
Auntie Amara, please help me, I'm coming.
What is helping me? Hi, Jane. Honey, stay with me. The food is almost ready.
Which one is staying with you? I thought the food is ready.
It's not. And I'll use this to eat the food when it's ready.
How can you prank me that the food is ready?
Are you angry with me?
I'm angry and hungry.
Sorry. Does that make it better?
Oh, God.
Come on, stop. How do I look? Okay. How do I look?
Look, I just have to do this myself. That's the only thing.
Oh, yeah, go. Please help. Because I'm dying of smoke.
You're just the only one enjoying this food. Man.
But it's not how it's supposed to be. You will wait. After I've taken and eating, then you cannot eat. As your wife and number one Oriako in this house.
So, Ria, the person bringing the akwa is not supposed to eat.
Mama, see your son. Mama, see your son. No.
Allow my wife to enjoy herself. Eh? Why are the two of you longer throats, you and Jen? Eh?
This one straight bullet is hitting me like this, Mama.
Let it hit
Mama, you too do.
Wait, who
let
has long
it
throat?
hit you hard.
Me, I don't have long throat.
Amara,
don't carry the meat now.
What's that?
Brother.
Why you put dragging me? Allow her to.
Mama, it was me that was blowing this fire.
Mama, your sister.
See, there's still meat.
But it was me that was blowing fire.
Amara, my daughter,
At least
enjoy
there's love in
yourself.
sharing.
And
Mama, I don't like
Oh,
this.
now it has come
Mama,
to
don't
me. There is
like
love in
There's
sharing.
love in sharing.
There's love in sharing.
Oga, I know the consequences of withholding tax. I'm not owing you people anything. I've already paid.
Madam! You should have paid your tax by now.
Oga, I've already paid. Now go and check your record. I have paid.
Madam, we have protect and you have not paid your tax.
What are you saying? What are you saying, Oga?
This woman thinks we are taking here.
You say you look like I'm an illiterate.
Come, let's practice
What
this.
are you doing? Do not touch my thing. If you talk, I will.
What is this? Well, mommy. Baby, more.
Ogini.
What is the problem? Why is your face like this? Remember, we've not seen each other for this now. Are you not supposed to be happy seeing me?
Hey, Meka. Are you expecting me to be happy seeing you? Where is the ring I asked you to bring for me? Oh, you think I'm joking? Okay? Or that I'm not serious? Okay.
Chinelo, don't tell me it's because of this ring issue that you've been avoiding me. Huh?
Emeka, let me just tell you. Enough of all this your concaboo story. I'm not interested. I'm Makajo.
Chinelo.
Go and get me the ring.
Chinelo.
Nkechi, spill it out. Stop staring at me like that, because I hate it.
Ha! Why won't you hate it? No, tell me, why won't you hate it? A young man that loves you and cares about you so much. This is how you pay him back. Even though he doesn't have the money to take care of you, he still tries his best. What else do you want? And you know that all the maidens in this village are envious of you and Emeka's relationship. But still, you just want to use your hand to destroy this beautiful thing the two of you share. Why?
Nkechi, that is the main problem I'm having. Yes, people are envious of us in this village, but tell me as my friend, am I still the one?
Oh, hold on a minute. Don't tell me you are doing all this thing because of that girl, Juliet. No, don't tell me it's because of Juliet you are doing this.
Yes. Yes, I am. I am jealous. I am angry. Why must it be she? Why? Don't I deserve something big from Emeka? Don't I? Oh, please stop that.
I talk am. I know say you know well. But even last night, I confirm am, but I just say make I check today whether it go pure.
In your dreams, right? Okay.
You know well. See, Chinelo. Chinelo.
Nkechi.
I dey warn you. Do not say I did not tell you. This thing you are doing, you go use your hand pursue this young man.
Special
and it will be too late.
To Emeka.
Chinelo, it will be too late.
Thank you.
You better calm down. Calm down, oh.
Nkechi Okafor, whatever your name is, let me tell you. He that wears the shoe knows where he pitches his or her. Okay? You don't come here and tell me what to do around here. I own my life and I decide what to do with my life. Please.
Come, I will show you the man. Look at the man here. He's the one. Yes. What's it that now?
If you see the way I treat them, thinking someone was coming from the other angle, and they focused on that side, and I took off. I said, stop this. I said, stop where? Is it today?
What if they have shot at you?
They will not shoot. They won't dare shoot. Are they shoot?
Anything is possible in this country.
Leave that thing. What is possible? What did I even do for them to arrest me?
The way you stopped them was good, but being violent about it is what is not good.
Mama, come to think of, if they had arrested me, who will come to bail me?
What am I here for? I would have come to bail you.
Bail me with which money? So just carry the money that we don't have to give police.
Why
for
are you
what?
underrating me? You think I don't have money?
It's not about not having money.
Money.
Mama, you think in police station you just tell them, release my son, they
Bail
release?
is free.
It's free, but you still pay small money.
With small money.
That's like
So the university you went to, street credibility you went to, easy to learn.
My friend.
You too. Mama, your son is always being violent towards me. What did I do to him?
I don't understand you. Okay,
you are ganging up against.
Somebody's ganging up against. Answer, Mama. Mama is asking you. Answer.
This is my daughter.
Exactly. This is the voice and action of a man in love. What is you with this voice, man in love and everything? Go and look for it. Since you like love, go and look for a husband. Mama, is that time we arrange someone for her? Because she's always love. She should leave my husband alone. It doesn't go into that now, Mama.
God's time is the best.
Mama. Oh, tell them.
Let time tell.
Emeka, I don't understand what you're saying though. Emeka, 99% of these girls, they always have mood swing. And they cannot be trusted.
I know all of this. But the point is that it's been long, for days. We've not seen each other for days. So I expected her to at least be happy and not the cold vibe she gave to me.
Emeka, what I would tell you that she loves you, and you know that. You know she loves you.
I know. Anna, I'm hungry. Are you not hungry?
Let's go and look for what to eat.
Huh?
Hello.
You mean I left you here in this house since you did not prepare anything for us to eat?
As your maid. Did you shout? When I was consoling you, did you say anything?
Anna, what kind of woman?
Baby, shut up. Get out.
Is it that you don't know how to cook?
Since morning now you are there. I don't know. Now, you don't have much.
Anaya, I will slap your face now.
Anaya,
Anaya, what is your problem? What is your problem, Anaya? Anaya, come here. Come here.
No, come here.
Honey, don't you see? I would have been bored around, I told you. Anytime Mama and Jane are not around, it's always boring.
Why is still that on your mind?
What you don't realize is that each time Mama and Jane are not here, it's usually boring. Anyway, tell me, do you have say 1,000 naira? Let me just quickly buy palm oil and okra so I can prepare soup with that fish.
Oh. No, I don't have. But Mama Gozi is owing me 9,000. Let me just quickly go to her house and collect anyone.
In that case, let me just get you water to shower first before you go.
No, let me just go. Can get it? I won't take time. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no.
Come quick, oh. This house is lonely.
Morning. What is it? Why are you giving me this attitude? What wrong have I done to you?
Oh, Apumaka, leave me alone now. Stop it. You are no longer a shed that will repeat one thing all over and all over again. Oh.
My love, let's calm down now. Is it because of the ring? Even when you know how much I love you, I love us.
Emeka, your love is never enough. How long have we been dating? How long?
We've been dating for 5 years now.
You are right. We've been dating for 5 good solid years. But you have never for once come to see my people. Since I have known you, we've been dating, you have never for one day buy me anything tangible. And you expect me, Chinelu, to be happy with you. So no work.
Baby, I've always tried to be the best I can for you.
Babe, it's not easy. You don't know what I'm going through. Yes.
Emeka, get me a ring. Just like Juliet's boyfriend did for her. Then I will be happy with you.
Babe, is your ring the problem now?
Get me the ring. Is that too difficult for me to ask?
The point times is I stop comparing with other people. I've never compared you with other girls. Okay? But in that case, I'll get you the ring.
Are you sure?
Very sure. I'll get you the ring. Stop now. Calm down. See, the ring is the problem, right? I'll get you the ring.
Are you sure?
Very soon.
Thank you.
Baby. Don't worry, I'll get it.
So the thing I went to Mama Ada, you know, when I went to Mama Ada's place, she doesn't have cash at home. And the lady that is supposed to do POS for her, she wasn't around. So when she got back, finally did. So instead of coming back home, I had to go straight to the market and just buy things that we need. So I don't have to stress you, you know. So, love? Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. Again. You've been getting me worried. What is the problem? You're getting me worried, Ogini. Did anybody make you angry?
Please just leave me alone. I want to be left alone.
Which one is that should leave you alone? Talk to me now. Did I make you angry?
If I don't have a right to have a moment to myself, can you leave me alone? Please, you may go.
I may go. I may go to where?
Do you want me to leave for you? My love, wash your hands, let's eat before we get cold. Honey?
I don't want to eat. I've been trying to talk to you, but you neglected me. I'm not eating this food until you tell me why you're angry with me.
My love, I'm not angry with you. I'm just angry at the situation of things around us. Just last week, I used the last money I had on me to renew my shop rent. Even though I knew there was no money to get goods to put inside the shop. A couple of days back, even today, Evelyn, my friend, called me. She told me her company is recruiting and that I'm good and fit for the job.
Really?
Ever since I graduated, my love, this is the first time I'm getting a job offer.
That is good.
But the bitter truth is I can't even go for it because I don't have any money on me.
But
So it wasn't directed at you. It was just all about life. That's it. I'm sorry you felt bad.
it's okay. I understand how you feel. I think about this all the time. Just look at us. 2 graduates, no good job. All we do is farm work, menial jobs just to raise money. Even feeding sometimes is a problem. But this development is a clear sign that God is in this story. Okay? Everything will be well soon. I believe.
Did she tell you how much it is, transportation from here to Lagos?
She said I should budget about 18,000 naira due to the hike in fuel price.
That is going and coming back 36,000 naira. And we've not even talked about feeding and upkeep.
And no one knows how long she's likely to stay there.
You'll go for the job. Yeah. You're going to go for that job. You're going to get the job and you're going to work there. You need it. We need it. Oh?
Honey, I know we need it. How do I even get transportation to go there in the first place?
Let's eat. Okay? When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. Oh yeah, wash your hands.
You wash your hand first. Mama?
Let's brighten up and eat now as well. Huh? Amen.
I can survive without you. Iligo bimo, imawago bisi, ibupankemo. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead. Sweetie, sweetie, this love is very sweet. In a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead. Darling, darling, oh, this love is adorable. In a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead. When love would they involve, one day in a fellow go kwa. Mana kwada kwa weko for my temptation they ahead.
My love, where did you get this money from?
This morning is your transportation to Lagos. Okay? You're going for the job. And you're going to do the job. Your success is our success.
I know. But what condition did they give you before giving you this money?
My love, I did not borrow this money. You can ask Mama. But Mama, yes, I didn't borrow it.
Yes. That is true, my daughter. Your husband did what he can to get this money.
Yes. She was worried that I borrowed it.
Thank you. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Listen, I promise when I go to Lagos for the interview and eventually get the job,
You and I will go to the city together to start the job.
Of course, I know you're going to get it. You're going to make us proud.
I will. In that case, let me call Evelyn. I'll tell her that I'll be coming to Lagos in 3 days.
3? No. Why? Tell her you're coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I'm waiting at you. To go and start working immediately.
Go ahead and call her right away. Huh?
She was thinking I borrowed the money.
Evelyn.
Oh, it's been a long time. How are you? How are you doing? Oh, that's good. That's good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is this your WhatsApp line? All right, I'll text or I'll rather call you later and we'll discuss. I have things in my office I have to look at. All right, thank you. Good to hear from you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Evelyn. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's all right. I brought the file as you requested.
All right.
And I also want to... Oh, your hair.
You got things there?
Yeah, it's fine. I also want to tell you that you have a dinner with Greenleaf Company this evening at 7.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. And also about the business proposal you asked me to prepare.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, I brought the file yesterday, but you've left before I could get here. That's it there.
Oh.
But I'm having a little problem addressing it.
Yes, I was supposed to look at it and then send you the address and names, but somehow I forgot. I'm going to mail it to you right away. So once you get to your desk, you see.
Oh, okay. Sir, is this something you want me to do for you? Because I want to go for lunch.
Oh, thank you. That will be all for now. You can go.
Okay, sir, your shirt.
All right, thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Hello, girlfriend. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. Sure. I'm going to send you the address as soon as I end this call. No. You don't have to say that. No, you don't have to bother yourself, girlfriend. Trust me. You can stay more than 3 days at my place after the interview. Hold on. Or are you forgetting that my company wants to establish another branch at our Umago community? Sure, of course. Yes, we are recruiting people to be trained before the completion of the branch. You know I got you, trust me. Yeah. I will send you the address, okay? That's fine. Okay, you take care. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Evelyn, what is it?
Sir, can I get a ride? I don't have enough money to get a cab. But it's okay if you're not going my way. I totally understand.
It's okay. You can ride with me. Come this way.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The door is open.
It's been a day.
Why is it that there's no food in this house to eat?
Babe, I'm sorry. It was extremely. No, I was running late to work, so
You better stop that trash you're saying from your mouth. Do I need to blow trumpet to remind you that you need to make food for me to eat?
Hello?
Yes.
Babe, I just said I'm sorry. I've had a very busy day at work. I'm worn out. I had a very hectic day. Can I at least freshen up and relax a little bit? Then I'll fix you something to eat.
If you know what is good for you, you go in there and make me food to eat.
Babe, I said the food is served on the dining. Can we go now?
What did you prepare?
I made rice and stew.
But I told you I wanted swallow tonight.
Babe, you're not serious, are you? Look at the time, it's late. I can't go to the market at this time and start making soup for you. I'm tired already.
Must it be what you want all the time? Must we argue about food? This your nonchalant attitude towards me, this is becoming unbearable.
Babe, so you're not going to eat the food or what? Babe, I stressed the living out of me to make that food for you. Hello, sir. Good evening. Okay, sir.
Babe! Babe!
I thought I asked you to ensure that you iron this shirt for me.
Okay. Babe, I'm going to iron it.
What do you think is the time?
Time?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Babe. It's 7:20. Why didn't you wake me all this while? So I can get ready for work.
Which means I have to leave this morning without breakfast.
Babe, I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry, just take this while I take my bath.
Enough of this your stupid and rebellious attitude. You would have to mind the things you say to me. Do you understand? Do you understand?
What did I do wrong?
I swear, one more word from you and you don't iron this shirt, I will disfigure your face.
But why do you have to slap me? Why? What did I do wrong? What is even wrong with you? Are you not supposed to wake me up so that I can go to work and make money for us? Why are you so insensitive? I'm just going to take my bath and go to work. There's nothing more you can do. You keep beating me in my own house.
Evelyn,
Sir.
are you just coming to work?
Good morning, sir.
It's past 8 a.m. What happened?
I'm sorry, sir. I had fever all night. So it's cost me my sleep. I'm sorry.
Evelyn, next time have your alarm set by your bedside. Let this not repeat itself again.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, Evelyn.
Sir?
Your lunch today is on me.
Thank you, sir.
So you mean he did all that?
Yes, but I'm tired of men sweet talking me. I don't want to believe that. So I just told him to give me some time.
My friend, you are a woman. Don't forget that. You need a man in your life. Have that thing not scratch you?
Oh my.
But I'll say the truth.
I don't tire. Men to the lie. Adams.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry about the hotel. If there's anything for us to discuss or to talk about, it should be our wedding. I'm sorry I was carried away, but thank God for everything. Absolutely. Please, say yes to me.
So if I did not confront you, you don't know that you do this?
Omebekwa guy, collect the ring. Yeah?
Achalugo, please say yes to me.
Yes. Aha. Aha.
Oh my God,
Aye.
I can't believe this.
Aye.
I love you, baby.
My friend.
Finally!
Yes.
Wallahi talahi, pa. Me, you, everybody is happy, pa.
Yes.
Happy, pa. Me, Mariam, your mata.
What?
Me, marry mata.
You marry her?
Me, marry her.
No, you're not sweet. No. You marry her. What are you talking about? Me marry her, not you.
You were say it in that book too. Me, he marry her.
Besides me, marry her. What do you mean? Him marry? She's my wife.
No.
Now here I dey talk yo wa. Me, he marry him.
Me marry her, right?
Me marry him. Yo wa.
Not to you. Him.
Marry.
You. No.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Me marry her.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Yes. Say beautiful.
Beautiful. Me, Muhammad. I go Sabongari. I go bring one big cow for everything wey go happen for your marriage, you and your mother.
On my wedding day?
Inshallah.
Are you serious?
Yes, I go Sabongari, carry one big cow come. Your mother and me, you go marry together. If this ring, me give him Yamutu.
No, me give him, not you.
Me give him Yamutu.
Okay.
My mother, I am Wendishi.
So
Ina kundi ya so what shit ya I am happy.
Yeah.
I am happy. You are happy. You marry him.
Yes.
I marry him.
Yes, I'm happy.
Yo.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You now have what you desire in life.
Yeah.
But I wish Ojukwu is like Emeka.
If he must act like Emeka, you too must act like me. Come on, girlfriend. You know, I have to force it out of his pocket. And you know, Emeka loves me so much. And he's ready to do anything within his power.
I know. But, you know, everybody have their timeline in life.
Exactly.
And they have their time. Maybe it's not yet my time. So I'll just be here waiting for Ojukwu. But my door will still be open for any other man. In case so.
Of course, you're right. Everyone has their own timeline. Like a saying that goes, delay is dangerous. And another thing you must understand in life is that you must differentiate between progress with success.
But wait. This one you're asking me to wait. Hope is not what I'm thinking.
I don't know what you're thinking. I have no idea. But, my friend, I will be going to his place tonight.
Ha! Chinelo! What are you going there to do?
Guess now.
What?
Guess. Just guess.
Tell me.
Anyway, tonight I will be giving him different styles in bed.
Hey! I don't know the side of you.
You're
You
not
be
going-
my friend for long, but you
No.
see this one where you talk now. I know this.
No sleeping tonight.
Hey, this guy, you don't spoil. I know that.
Mama. Hey. Hello. Oh. Remember where you are coming from. And consider the decisions you take and those that it will hurt most.
Mama, as long as I have breath in me, I always remember the hearts that have loved me with everything they've had. Mama, I promise that I will forever, since you all have made me smile, I promise to always be with you. Till my bones are weak and my hair turns gray.
You are a good woman. May my God grant you that which your heart desires.
Amen, Mama. I'll miss you.
Auntie Amara, good luck.
Thank you.
I wait to hear the good news soon.
Amen.
I'll miss you.
It's okay, let's be going. Oh, she's late.
I know.
The journey is far.
I know.
Mama, please take care of yourself.
Let's
Eat
go.
on time. And make sure you sleep.
She will. Let's
sure you
go.
always
Let's
I'll
go.
cook now.
Mama, bye-bye.
Let's go.
Bye-bye. I'll miss
Bye-bye.
you.
I miss you, Amara.
Mama, it's okay. Let's go.
My love, I don't know how I can ever thank you for being so caring and understanding person to be. No more, I can't survive without you. No more, I can't survive without you. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow go temptation there. When true love is involved.
You're now in Lagos. But this is just 5 p.m. now. That was really fast. Well, now that I've heard from you now, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm Wazico. Everyone is fine, but Mama went to church. Jane is around. Jane!
I'm here.
Are you... I want to speak to you.
Hello, pretty wife. How was your journey? Wow, it was so fast.
The latest married man.
Why, man?
Because he's married already. Okay. I heard you engaged Chinelo.
What to do now?
What to do? You got
my brother.
Don't tell me. At least if it's to be shouting, ow, I'll be there for you now.
Which one is
Because that's the. But it's a good thing.
With that girl, she has, suffered for me. We've come a long way. She's even right. She's right. And it's high time I show her some level of commitment. That girl, and that's the only bambo sitonya. It's just an angoka Morocco, Onya cause this whole thing.
You see, marriage is not something you go into out of pity. For me, except the love is there. Marriage is something that has to do with lifetime. It's eternity. So when choosing a life partner, it shouldn't be done out of pity. That's what I have to say. Call your label because she has been there for you. That is why you want to settle down with her. Then tomorrow you start regretting. The love has to be there. If you ask me, man, listen, you're good to go. Why am I here? I'm always here to support you. I have to support. I have to advise you. Except you now say, okay, it's a must. Then why not?
And I know all of that. I know everything. But the most important thing is that I love her.
That is all I want to hear. Yes. You love her. That is good. So now, all you have to do is engagement, Abiago. Now you look for how to gather 50 or 100,000 to buy drink. You got phone and tell the father, there's an apple. That's how they say it. There is a ripe mango. There is a ripe orange. There is a green cucumber somewhere. I want to pluck from your community. I said, tell his father.
God. Hey! Evening. Your house is such a heaven on earth, I promise you.
Please stop your flattering.
Trust me, you're just being modest. I mean, this is really beautiful. You're doing great for yourself, girl. You be big girl now. You be rich kid.
Okay. Enough of your hyping. All right? You are welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Feel at home. Make yourself comfortable, right? But now, I don't even know your brand. What do I offer you?
What is brand? One, I am very hungry. I want to eat food, please.
Brand.
Food first, though.
This girl, you've not changed.
There's no need to be ashamed.
Okay, so I'm going to get a soft drink first.
Okay.
While I fix us something to eat. How about that?
No problem. Thank you.
Fine, Abby.
Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You know we have a lot to catch up
Of
with.
course we do. We do. But
Okay.
this is beautiful. I'm super proud of you, girl.
Thank you.
Evelyn, how long am I supposed to wait?
My darling, just relax, okay? It will soon get to your turn.
Oh, seriously, is this how your interviews usually is? Because I don't understand. Why are too many people vying for just one spot?
Babe, there's no job in this country. So people keep trying till their luck shines on them. Just relax.
And at the end of the day, they'll pick just one person.
No. I told you, we opened a new branch. So we're recruiting people to fix in the positions. Right? So I got you.
I pray. Because it will be very important to both me and my husband that I get this job. I mean, we both prayed and fasted for it. And I must win at this point. I really need it.
God will help you. Calm down. Stop worrying.
Amen. Amen.
Ma, he said I should give you this.
Okay. Thank you, please. We'll get back to you.
Yes,
Hello, honey?
My dear, it's your turn.
Honey? They just asked me to go inside. I'll call you back.
Hello.
Thank you. Good day, sir.
Good day. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Can you introduce yourself properly?
My name is Amarachuku Destiny Okoro, a graduate of Business Administration from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
From your CV here, you graduated 3 years ago.
Yes, sir.
You graduated with good grades, I must say.
Thank you, sir.
Who are you and why are you looking at me like that? Like a moron?
This is Evelyn's apartment and am I the right place?
You're damn right. Who the hell are you and how did you get the key to this place?
Oh, my name is Amara. I am a friend from the village. I came in yesterday to see her.
Evelyn's friend?
Yes.
From the village?
Mm-hmm.
And she didn't bother to tell me that her friend would be joining us.
Yes.
What? What if I was naked? That's why you would have walked in just like that. Cause it demand that you knock when you're in someone else's house.
Us. She didn't tell me she was married.
She must be a fool to ask me such a question. You were bringing your friend to come and stay with you in one-bedroom apartment. You didn't bother to inform me about it so that I can plan myself.
How do I tell you? Well, you're always angry at me at every little thing.
You better mind your tongue. You don't talk to me in such manner.
I'm sorry.
When is she leaving? Here cannot contain the three of us.
What? She's not going to stay for so long. She's just here for the interview, and after that, she will leave.
So how do you plan tonight? She certainly cannot share the same bed with us.
Babe, can you just stop? You're not supposed to be here. You're passing on me. I was trying to stop you from coming, but already you are here, so there's nothing I'm going to do. We're just going to manage the whole house. Maybe she'll stay at the living room.
You just insulted me. Do you know that?
What did I do wrong now?
You don't know what you've done, right?
What? Don't do that next time. Do you hear me? You don't want me staying here, just man up and say it instead of displaying this childish attitude.
Is it me you're talking to like that?
Are there double of you standing here? Tell me, Evelyn, listen, if this is your man, this bully standing here is your man, I don't like him.
You watch your friend disrespect me before you.
No, you disrespected yourself the minute you laid that stupid hands on her. You know what? Grow up.
Why can't I get this girl off my mind? Amara, who are you really that you hold the strong influence on me?
Do you see what your stupidity has cost me? This local girl that you brought from the village talks to me anyhow with so much disrespect.
Oh my God, Evelyn, I am sorry, but I've had enough of his bullish attitude. He better man up instead of being this uncannily stupid.
How dare you?
Won't you even try? Listen, I have a man in my house. I mean a real man. He has never for once in his life raised his hand to hit me. Not to talk of a small little boy like you. Don't you dare try it.
Where are you going?
I've caused you enough trouble for tonight. I'm going to look for another place to sleep for tonight. Tomorrow, I leave for the village. Please help me with my phone, please. I need to get out of this place.
You're not going anywhere.
Come on.
If there is anyone who is going to leave, it is you.
What?
Get out of my house. Because I've had enough of your manners. I've had enough of your pirated behavior roving around my house. Get out of my house right now.
You're asking me out because of her.
You heard her. Get out before I force you out.
She's
you want me
telling
to do
daughters,
it?
get out, get going, get out of my house! Leave my
You'll never
house!
see me again.
Oh wow, look at your radiance.
With your circumstance! Stupid thing.
Tell me. So that was your man?
That was a mistake.
Better be.
Our father. Mama.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
how are you?
Sorry. Mama, I just got off the phone with Amara. She did well in the interview, and with the look of things,
Hey.
she's likely to get the job.
I trust my daughter-in-law. Hey! Hey!
Yes, sir.
I know my daughter will make us proud.
Of course.
Eh?
Of
She's
course.
destined for greatness.
Very well.
Oh my God.
And so she let her travel for the interview at Lagos?
Yes, so my brother, I had to run around and raise money now.
Bro, you really try, oh. My guy, see love. See love.
Where did he see love?
No, got to love, bro.
That's his wife now.
That's my wife now. Is that supposed to be a topic?
It's all right, no problem.
It's for the both of us. It's for the family. Mama, please go inside first. Can you put your hand in? But for him. Which one is that? You tried, though. How far the job?
How far? I'm going to rush, I beg.
Oh, bro, make they rush. What did you guys conclude?
Bro, we don't say to everything, bro. Make they go, I beg.
So there is no back and
shaking,
forth.
no shaking.
It's not let's go. I'm on the engine. So I don't get this. I don't understand.
Madam.
What are you doing here?
Dear, just received this SMS asking me to come here today.
Oh, why? Mr. Henry sent this to you.
Is this his phone number?
Yes, that's it. If he wants to see you, can go in.
No?
No, just go.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. You...
Yeah, you received my text, right?
Yes, sir. That's why I'm here.
Okay. Alright, take this. Give it to my secretary. She knows what to do with it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
How did it go? He gave me this to give you.
Oh, really?
What is it?
Congratulations.
Huh?
Hey, I'm sending it while you were on the go training, immediately.
Oh, immediately?
Immediately.
Like today?
Congratulations, girl!
Thank you. You got a job.
Mom, get ready.
Thank you.
Good job for you, girl. Get going.
Thank you. Oh my God.
So my brother, you've seen it. It's corner piece, serious corner piece. So it's what you
It's everything you wish for. And stable land. Price is very moderate.
Sit down.
Very fair. They are rushing it though.
You don't need to do any sanfili, nothing with anybody. Everything is intact.
Yes.
The person needs money. You understand?
Of course.
You can make inquiries now. Ask how much is 50 by 100.
There's even one guy that wants to buy it, I think yesterday.
Yes,
now.
no, but you know what? The land business is first come, first serve.
Of course.
If now you first come first, why not? We'll sell it to you.
Of course.
How much is the price?
You know, first off, like I said, just ask first. You're getting in this price now because the person needs money. If you waste time, say maybe tomorrow he will tell you will not sell it again.
What's the price? That's my question.
The price now is 4 million. That 4 million itself is you know what you have to be looking at anytime you want to buy land is how genuine is the land
and the location.
Exactly. And the title.
Of course.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So this one is just buy and build. You see everywhere around it, and buy and go and sleep.
Apart from all this, I love the land, and it's exactly at the site.
Good. So how far you want to buy?
I want to buy.
God.
So you just see what you want to buy.
The point there is that you give us 10% of the money you buy the land.
No, that one here.
And again, 200,000 naira for the youth. You know,
and no, that one is during development. That is developmental levy. When you want to start building, that one you now set to.
You say the price is 4 million.
4.
I'll pay 3.7 million.
Oh.
Just call the owner.
But you know, just leave it. The guy that wants to, the previous guy will buy it. I just told you everything. It's not something you need to. But no, I can't be pricing this land. See, ask first. How much is this land now? Lands around here, just ask for before you now. Maybe when you now come back to buy, the land might not be available again.
I love the land. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow, let's finalize it.
Yes, honey, I will. But I really want to come home. I miss you.
Oh, shut up. Go and make money. Why are you always running back to love?
Yes, ma. Oh, Chineke. Oh my God. My credit just finished and I didn't even wish my husband good night.
Shameless lover girl. So broke. But it's okay. Just use my phone, okay? Call him. Be sweet.
Oh, thank you, darling.
No
Thank
too
you.
much talk. Just good night, baby, and that's
Come
all.
on now. Don't worry, I won't talk for long.
Romeo and Juliet.
Go get your own Romeo.
Ah, whatever.
Honey? I didn't wish you good night. I called back to say good night.
Who's it?
Alright, take care of you, okay? I love you, baby.
Bye-bye, my dear daughter.
Mama is telling you
bye.
This is Chinelu. Yes, please, I'm coming to your house. Right away. Okay.
Achalugum. Baby. Where will she be this time? Baby. Baby.
Oh, so sorry for keeping you waiting. I had lots of mail that I need to send.
It's okay, sir. You don't have to apologize.
Okay, so what is so important that you had to come here see me?
First off, sir, I'm thankful for the opportunity you've given to me. The thing is, when I came for the interview, I the truth is, it's quite sudden. Don't get me wrong, I really need the job. But when I came for the interview, I didn't really come with enough words. I just came straight from my village, Umuagu community in Enugu State.
Okay.
Sir, what I'm trying to say is, I just need to travel back to my village to get some wares, then I'll come back. I don't know if you'll be kind enough to grant me some time to do that.
If I got you right, you mean you need workwears, right?
Yes, sir. And 1 week is enough for me to travel to my village, get prepared, and come back. I promise it won't exceed 1 week.
All right, come with me. Evelyn,
Sir.
cancel every appointment I have from now to 2 hours.
Sir?
You heard me. Cancel every appointment. Give me 2 hours. Come with me.
Sir, but you... Excuse me, sir. Sorry. Yeah, I don't mean to disrespect you. But where are we going to?
You made a complaint to me, and that is what I'm trying to solve.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
But the thing is, you said I should follow you. Are you going to my village, or are you?
We are not going to your village. Just come with me. Huh? Come with me.
My man! My guy!
Ayo?
Hey!
Ade, guy, what do you take when make you finish this girl like this morning?
Me take something. And I know they take anything. No. I know they take that nonsense. For what, man?
Guy, still dey strong, oh. Guy, you nearly killed this girl. You need to see the way this girl take run come up for this place this morning.
Did you say you saw her run out from this compound?
Yes, now. Are you not aware?
I woke up and I was looking for her. In fact, I'm even coming from the house now, and the mother said that she didn't see her.
Yeah? Guy, go inside your room now, go check your money.
Elela guy, man.
Onye rileli. You dey here, the fob Galadiba, they don't collect your money, go.
You mean he bought all this for you?
Honestly, I don't understand him. I mean, this is not how a boss relates with his staff.
Exactly my point. If I'm not mistaken, this cost hundreds of thousands.
279,000 naira to be exact. I asked him why he would spend that much money on me. He didn't say anything because I told him I was willing to pay back. I asked him how much my salary was so I could work on repaying him monthly. He said everything was for free and that as for my salary, himself and the board are working on it.
Babe. Tell me the truth. Did you sleep with him? Like, He tackled our boss.
What?
He tagged her.
Are you crazy? I'm a married woman, for God's sake. I love my husband. Please, I would never do a thing like that. In fact, I love my husband so much that I could even leave this job. What are you talking about? That's disgusting. Come on.
Okay. I'm sorry about what I just said. But I can't figure why our boss will take you shopping, getting all of this for you.
I've made up my mind. As soon as I start receiving my salary, I'm going to start paying him back.
Okay.
Wallahi talaiba. You nearly killing me. Yamata? Akwina reke. You sweet like a reke. You sweet like sugar cane, porina, sidelo. Ayamata. Now go to say. Kidani daine. Wallahi talai, you too sweet. La Lisa.
Really?
Masinelo matane, ayamata, ayakundu, seburane. Asinelo. Hi. Ina shayone, embura sende baba. I drink idogo, idogo. I say baba nebura. Sakada mufu. Asinelo. Make we do something
again.
Kina de shayone bura baba. I say baba, I say bura, I say nilo, I say kundu, I say kara. Akiale. Aya, I say nilo. Yes, I am a son. I can very beautiful. See nilo.
I'm so sorry for the delay, sir. I knew I had seen it somewhere. This is it.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
So, what are you doing after work today?
What do you mean?
I would love to take you out for dinner.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. I'll be busy this evening. Excuse me.
Sir, you asked to see me.
Yes, I did. I'll go straight to the point.
Okay.
I know it was through you that Amara came to this place. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. I love her. Yes. And I would like you to help me arrange so she can be mine.
Sarah, what you're asking me to do will be a little bit difficult because Amara is...
I will promote you with an increased salary and, of course, an official car. That means no more jumping off taxi. Evelyn, go think about it. Huh?
Sir, I...
Think about it.
Do you know what you're asking? You want me to sleep with Mr. Henry? What for? A job? Is it the reason for all this kindness? Is it?
Maybe. Maybe not. But listen, one thing I know for sure is that Mr. Henry is better than that your poverty replicant of a husband in the village. He's rich and handsome. He has also promised to take good care of you if you will accept to date him.
Well, read my lips. I am not doing it.
Oh, come off it, baby girl. You don't have to say that. Nobody's gonna know. All you have to do is date this man, grab whatever you can, and move on. Besides, your husband is far away. Nobody's gonna tell him.
Well,
no, I want you to be smart. I don't want to banter words with you, all right?
If I may not know, I know. My conscience knows. So I will not betray myself or my body by sleeping with another man. Never.
Let me ask you, why were you taking all that gifts from this man if you're not going to date him? Never mind. Think about it, right? Be smart.
There's nothing to think about. My decision is final.
Use your head.
No, you are the one to use your head at this point. You can as well date him. It's not like you're married.
I'm not interested.
Better start thinking about your life and find a husband.
That's the problem. The more they complain, and it doesn't even, it's not relatable. How can you be complaining that it's no money? But the next minute you're doing projects. Project is not sky. It's not just a project of 3-bedroom.
Billions of
skyscraper, my brother.
Eh?
Skyscraper.
And I heard this one is even building a company, and not this one alone.
How's it going here? Company. You know, I heard is workers' quarters, so, but I'm wondering.
Okay, workers' quarters.
Yes, okay.
Just
so
this
this
one.
Company where the workers will stay in the company. So this big project just for workers alone. Guy, people this.
I can walk
Yes.
Harry boy.
Yeah, not me.
My man.
Harry.
That's me. What are you guys doing here?
We're just looking around.
I want the bike. Hop in. Let's go somewhere. This talk is not a talk for here. Let's go somewhere. Hop in. Hop in, my guy.
Hop in. Here you go. Harry.
Evening. CEO is not in his office.
Yes, he traveled. Okay. Babes, have you given it a thought on what I said to you? Listen, this man is willing to change your life for good. He wants to do everything you want just to have you. All right, all you need to do is just to say yes to whatever he tells you. And that's it.
Not going to happen. Even if it means losing this job. No.
Really? Why are you being so obstinate? This is a golden opportunity that I expect you to grab with your both hands. Why are you forming hard to get?
Well, Evelyn, can you just stop having this conversation with me all the time? I am not interested. Please, you are a good person, and I don't want this to strain our friendship. Come on, understand.
You don't even care about our friendship, do you?
I actually do. This is not about friendship. This is something else. Try to separate both.
My brother. My brother, you have made money. You put $7K.
No, they quite hurry you.
My brother, God has really blessed you.
God has blessed me.
God has really done everything.
Hey! You know, my brother, you know it's expected. After our NYSC, I had to travel outside the country. And as you know, there are lots of opportunities.
Of course. You see, the funny thing is that when the opportunity came out, I knew about it. He told me about it. Yes. But my brother, there was no money anywhere. Even piece of land to sell, no one. Immediately, his father just did the visa.
Imagine.
Before I knew it, my man don't do away. You need to be very grateful to your father.
No,
I'm telling you, bro. Your father
I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful. I'm really very grateful. And I really miss you guys, though.
You see the way I'm looking at you. I'm still shocked, though. And the good thing is that he traveled and still remembered home. Some people just lavish your
I'm telling you. Yes, my brother. And that is why I'm building this in the village. Yeah, you know I have 2 in the country. And then 1 in Ghana.
You don't mean
and the 1 in Ghana is because of, you know.
God bless Africa. Yes. God bless Africa. I said if I have money, I must buy a house in Ghana.
I'm telling you. Is it Ghana? Especially Accra?
It's very important.
Accra, Kumasi, Tema. I must buy a house, my brother.
Right. I think this is an important call. Please, I'm going
okay.
Hello? In Ghana. He has in the Ghana.
Hello, good evening, sir. Yes, sir, please check your email. Sir, I am sorry, but she's still uptight. Okay, sir. I'll try harder. Thank you. Amara, what is the color of your problem? This thing is so simple. Very simple.
Sinelo my nyarinya. Sinelo, wallahi tallahi ba. I go carry you go Sabongari. You don't drink pura de nunu.
No.
Wallahi tallahi, if you drink pura de nunu, your tubo bigo they bring out the milk. Miliko. Sinelo. Iyamudu, iyabura, iyawunja, iyamuku. Don't worry, ba. I go carry you go Mecca. You go Mecca. You go come be Alaji. Alaji Astinelo. Yeah. What are you doing with my woman? Your woman? Why you they calling me your woman? Amy, you don't put something for my head. Will you be your matana?
Mohammed, you my friend. You that I trusted. You had the mind to betray me, Mohammed. You had the mind to betray me.
Me wanna, waiting me, cause
come close to me. I'll slap the head out of you. Are you mad?
That
if you come close to me, Mohammed, I'll bust your head. Chinelo, what are you doing there?
Please, don't harass me. This is how you go about harassing women you see.
Chinelo, follow me. Stop it. Chinelo, I said follow me.
Don't they call Chinelo your matana? You don't put something in your head. I go dagger me.
Hey, leave me!
I go dagger me. What? Your light the way that chukubenki. That waru kadash. That inazoinki.
Mohammed, Aboki, in my own land, you want to dagger me?
Your papa na Aboki. Your mama Aboki. Me Aboki. I go dagger me or light a light. A small be light that chukubenki. Wait, that waru kada make sense.
In my own village, you want to dagger me?
Amata. Don't worry, pa. He's useless me, pa.
Carry me.
Yamutu, Ayamutu.
How dare that Aboki? Wait, leave me alone. Wait. And now, what's all this now? I am ready to kill that Aboki. Aboki in my own land. Collected my woman on the pondant of Yarmdaka. I am ready to kill that Aboki. I will not get taken me a prisoner.
Don't worry.
I am ready.
Sorry. I will not allow you kill anybody. Wait.
Calm down. Not allow me kill anybody.
Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Please.
Leave me alone now.
No.
Now leave me alone.
Wait.
Leave me alone. Hey! Aboki in my own land.
Mama! Run for your life! Mama!
Nonsense, Mohammed! This guy bring up Gaga for me with my own land! Come out and fight, idiots! Come out and fight!
She's not even there yet. She's not here.
She's not inside. Hey! Oh! Check him there! Check him outside, check him! Hey! Check, idiot! Useless Mohammed! Is he there? Did you see him there?
He's not there.
I wish I see this guy. I forgot his neck!
If you kill this guy, they go hold you.
Okay, but they hold me. I walk in this Aboki in my own land. I'm walking get mine. They call my woman.
You don't do now. More they go. Eh? They go hold us here. More they go.
Just let that woman was shake the other Iska. Where them they? Who them be? Emeka ne? Ya waru ka. Papa ni mama ni that Iska pay. Idiot. Where them they? Eh? Come fight me. Come fight me, fa. Make I shook hand for your eyes, pa, idiot. Inaya mutu ne. Ya babanki ya mutu. Mama niki ma ya mutu. That shake ya. La ilaha illallah. Aha hakuba. La ilaha illallah.
Mohammed in my own land. Huh?
Anayo, Emeka, what's going on?
Now listen to me, Nkechi.
Now listen to me. Are you part of the plan for me to engage Chinelo and only for her to leave me and follow Mohammed?
What?
Yes, now.
She left you for Mohammed?
Yes, for Nyugu, Aboki.
Starting when?
Now listen, Nkechi.
Listen to me. Don't even give me that because she's your friend. You are in a good position to know her whereabouts. Why did she do that?
Why will I do that? Do you know Chinelo started avoiding me immediately after the engagement and I don't know why.
Now listen to me.
If her plan is to leave me and follow that useless Mohammed Aboki, that it will not work. That is not going to be possible. I must hold the two of them down. Yes.
You see, why will your friend, your fellow girl, why you people don't have sense? You live fine boy like this. This is my friend. Follow Aboki. Okay, forgive me.
Emeka, please calm down. I will talk to her. Oh, Chinelo.
Mama, I'm going out, so I want to accompany my friend to Onitsha. He wants to buy a rod for his building project.
Brother, who is this your friend that you are always meeting? You no longer do your ritual work.
Chinese, no longer. This one is not just an ordinary friend, though. This one is my guyest guy. And besides, something will come out. It's not just in vain, no.
Okay.
So, you see this money, use it and make Rice and stew. My wife is coming back today.
Oh. Have you called her to know if she has entered road already?
She's on the way. On the way. Mama, let me rush, yeah?
Brother, I will make the food.
Okay.
Come, Ifeanyi.
Mama, come now. Come, I will make food.
Why not wait and eat something before you start rushing out?
Amar, I don't get it. Do you mean you want to abandon everything? The project? And return to the village for what? Are you on a cheap drugs or something?
Evelyn, if that's what it would take for me to secure my marriage, so be it. You see, this job, this whole thing, is not what me losing my marriage over. Goodbye, Evelyn.
I'll let you go because I believe you're unsettled. You need some time off to think. So I'm going to call you to know your decision.
Well, my decision is long being made.
Anyego.
Henry Coco. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Everything will be, seen. Henry Coco.
You never disappoint.
You know you work so hard.
Yes.
So a hard worker needs, at least at the end of the day, you need to relax. And people like me, I've got you covered. You cannot be in this village and you'll be lacking it. So I can just think, let me just handpick. This one is handpicked too. Very handpicked too. She's very scarce in this village.
It's purely village made.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more cooking.
Yes,
it tastes different.
Yeah, but that's how I enter the candy.
Please, come.
I need to go.
This is perfect. I need a different taste from what they see.
Of course, no. This one is, and this one is not everywhere. That's what matters.
Yes, perfect. What happened? You brought only one. What about your own?
No. You know, my wife will be coming back from the city today. Even if I check now, she should be at home safe. So me, I will not be here. Maybe next time. There's still
your wife. You're married.
You're not aware. I'm married now.
It's a good thing. Congratulations.
You're welcome.
You know what?
Thank you.
One of these days, I'll come to the house and see your wife. Or something on time. Because your wife is my wife.
Of course. It's a family thing. That one is not a problem at all. Just tell us the day you come. Everything will be arranged.
It's all right.
Of course.
I will come.
Let her come to the front now. Okay, you thought I'm living with you. Just no need to say much, eh? There you are, oh, big boy. We'll see later now. Let me run along.
All right.
Chinelo. What is it I'm hearing? Is it true? How will I know what you heard about me?
I'm talking about what I heard about you and that Mohammed. That dirty thing. That barely take his bath. You've been going about the village, frolicking yourself around him like... I don't understand. Why?
Listen, Nkechi. You don't have any business whatsoever I want to do with my life. I have the right to choose whosoever I desire to date or be with.
I know it is your life. But no one is epicenter of wisdom. Everybody needs guiding. And you also need guiding. You've been going about protesting on Emeka how he refused to give you ring. Now he has given you the ring. What is all this thing you are doing with Mohammed?
So because of this sheep ring he bought for me, and that is why he's parading himself all over the town. Huh? Okay, let me give you the ring. I will not give you. Neither will I give him. You see what? Let Emeka do his worst. Yes.
Okay. Now for your information. Emeka is around the village looking for you and that so-called Mohammed guy. He is not happy about it. He is not happy with the fact that you are all around with that guy. And when I saw him with a big cutlass in his hand. He looked bloody. And as your friend, I'm here to advise you to be careful. Don't say I didn't warn you. Please.
Thank you. Thank you, SSA to Emeka. Thank you very much. My love. Baby. Hope you're okay.
My love.
Are you okay? Hope you're fine.
Wallahi tallahi, for me, I'm not fine at all.
Hi.
I am not fine, fa. You see Emeka, I will deal with Emeka, fa. I will show Emeka that I am from Kano. Let me tell you, Dick Aduna, Kukakowa, Zona Kano that they should have that Chukubanki Yamus.
But my love must still fight him. Let's leave this village. I'll go to another village where will be just you and I. Please. Let's leave.
Ayowa, Sinelo, you mean if you follow me, go Kano?
Anywhere you go, I will go.
Yo, Sinelo.
I love you.
Matane. Sinelo, I have flinty cow in Kano, ba. Flinty nama. I will kill flinty cow for you, ba. Aya, saying it. Sinelo. My nyarinya. Yama can say Mura Baba.
Okay, we should go.
Sinelo, you are my mother, and come and show my feet. Show my feet. I will make you my Ajia. Say go, baby.
This one that Amara did not come back again today. What must have happened?
I'm worried about it too. If Ifeanyi were to be around now, he would have told us if she's still coming back or not.
Mama, those two must have communicated. I know them too well. They must have communicated whether she's still coming today or not. I know them.
Let's see.
I know them very well. Mama, I had to go around. I was wondering where you people were. You're looking so fine. Thank you. I like your hair. Mama, I've missed you. I know you're worried I didn't come back. Our bus broke down and we had to stay there for close to 3 hours before I come in. Some of these commuters are so careless.
I was worried. I said, why this late?
Where's my husband? I miss him. Where is he? He's not yet back.
I saw you back.
What is he still doing out there? But he knows I'm coming today. Don't worry. Go and have your bath. I'll get you something to eat. He'll still be back. Don't worry. Mama, I've missed you.
Hey. Freshen, go in and freshen up. Go inside and freshen up.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mama. Where are you coming from at this time?
Chai.
Hey, don't patronize me. Don't try it. Who is she that you were with? Where have you been?
Which one is who?
Which woman were you with?
No woman anywhere. Say which woman? Which woman is what? See my love.
I am serious. Don't change the topic.
See my love. I didn't go. I went out with my friend. I accompanied my friend to Onitsha to buy building materials for his site. And guess what? I made some money. I made some money today. You see, if I had stayed back, my love, with that. Okay, see now. I made 30,000 naira from nowhere. All because I accompanied him to Onitsha. Eh?
Didn't you remember I was coming today?
Of course, I told Jane to prepare rice and stew for you now. I even told Mama.
Then why didn't you pick my calls?
My love, the phone was inside his car. We are just inside the market looking for good prices. Eh? If I did not go, would I have gotten this money? Eh? One hustle now. Eh? I miss you.
I miss you, Ma.
Wait, see woman now. Eh? Though I know you're beautiful, quite alright. I know that I married right, but you don't come see.
I've missed you.
No, baby. Oh, God, babe. I'll be going out later today.
Okay.
That is my guy that is building a massive project in this community. A project that will be beneficial to a lot of villagers.
What?
And I am like the major site manager.
Boss. Tell me, do I know this your friend?
No, you don't know him. You see, ever since you've been in the city, he's been asking of you. But right now that you're back, of course, I'll tell him my wife is back.
Okay, that'll be nice. Oh, evening. Hello?
Oh. Is everything all right?
Yes. Are you ready to go out now?
Yes, you've been making calls, always on the phone. I hope everything is all right.
Everything is fine, my love.
No challenge?
No.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
No
Please
problem.
make sure you come back early. It's important.
Okay, I will.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going.
Take care. Bye. But I go well, though.
Oh, Evelyn, shut up. Shut the fuck up. This is a simple task. Evelyn, are you telling me you can't get this girl for me? Evelyn, tell her that I'm ready to employ her as the MD. Evelyn, are you telling me you can't get this girl to be mine? Tell her that I have a job offer for her. I will make her the MD immediately with an official car and all the other benefits. Evelyn, get this girl for me or be ready to lose your job. I don't like excuses. What is all this? You know how you talk to your fellow woman. What are you telling me? You're telling me you can't tell her. The job offer is enticing enough. Stop saying all that.
It looks like someone is making you angry over the phone.
Brother, you know all these incompetent employees. Once they get the job, they think they can't lose it. They just become
relaxed.
Is he mad? Anybody that is not competent should be fired now.
My brother, just a simple tax.
You fire him now. Is he what you're wasting time for? Does he know what it takes to open a company?
They don't understand.
It's not what you should stress yourself. What are you doing here, by the way? I was actually going that someone I'm supposed to do a job, so I'm going to give the person budget for the job. I'm surprised to see you packed here. Is everything?
I just stopped to take this call. But if where you're going can wait, let's go and see my site.
Let's go now.
All right.
Who knows if there's something that we
that's what I'm saying.
Let's go immediately.
I must thank you the way you handled those doubts. You know, if not for you, I would have given in to their demand. But thank God you are there.
Henry saying he must thank me. He must thank. Are you supposed to thank me?
Yes, of
you
course.
are my friend. You're not supposed to. I did what I'm supposed to do. Do you understand? Besides, it's like you don't know me in this village. Ask now. If you get ask our IPU. Ask people about me in this village. Nobody can mess around now.
Number one, the champion.
Pay developmental fee when I'm in this village for you. No, now. Instead, we'll die now. Everybody will perish. They cannot try. They know they cannot try with me.
And you say no more. I've confirmed this one.
Say pay developmental
But then,
fee.
Let's go somewhere and chill. Well, one, 1, 2.
My brother, that would have been nice, but you know, it's been long. I left house since morning. So even if I have to sit out and have a drink, and leave me alone, this man, you understand? I will get home first. Tell them before I come out.
Don't tell me you are a lover boy. When men are still warming up for the evening, a man must leave house now. You're not saying leave house.
I know, but at least to tell them that this is.
And they know you are not going to come back now. The evening is still fresh. Let's go and chill. What do you think? Now I do 1 or 2 and then everything working. We have a lot to talk about.
God, no. Now, so it look like me. It's fine. Let's go. Not the one you ever not forget. I like drink. It's just 1 bottle. Seven one. And you? You see this, my friend? He likes.
Evelyn, there is nothing that man will give to me that will make me sleep with him. No, you have to understand. And I'll appreciate it if you can just stop. Stop this nonsense. For God's sake, I have told you already, never. Can you stop pushing this? Just butt out of my business. No, that's not going to happen. I appreciate you checking in on me. It's not necessary, okay? My husband just got in. Let me attend to him. All right, thank you. Honey, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Who are you talking to?
Chigozie, my cousin. He asked after you. He said, how are you? I said, you were good.
How was he?
It's fine. So how did your day go?
My day, no, it's not finished yet. I just came to see you and get something and eat.
Okay, so I'll just fix you a bath while I make something for you to eat.
No, bad. Just food to eat, babe.
Just food to eat? Yeah. Is that why you did not hug me?
I did.
You didn't hug me properly. Get up and hug me.
Amara, what is your problem? Why do you want me to lose this job? What is even so special about you? What does Mr. Henry see in you that he can just forget about you? Even when you keep rejecting him stupidly. What is all this madness? What is about you? Are you so foolish that you can't do the right thing? Still a child. Do I need to force it down your throat for you to be reasonable for once? better don't try me and get things done.
Good day, Mr. Henry. What do you expect me to say or do when you won't even let me rest? You keep pestering my life simply because I want to work in your firm. No, I'm not having it. Listen, I have a reputation to protect, and that's what I'm doing.
Sure, I shouldn't go. Let's just go and buy it.
Honey, are you going out?
I want to take Mama to the chemist to buy malaria medicine for her.
You're still having the symptoms?
Yes, my daughter. I want to go and see if Martina can give me injection.
You want
I'm
to go? You want
tired
to
of
go?
all these tablets.
Can't I just bring Matilda here to
Honey,
give you the injection?
Come on, calm down. Since she wants to, let her just go with you, okay?
Oh yeah, let's go now.
Don't worry, before you come, I'll prepare something for you to eat, okay? Careful. Sorry, Mama.
Sorry,
Mama. Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
And why? What are you doing outside when everyone is inside?
Nothing.
Oh, let's
Sorry,
go.
Mama.
I know how I should have,
There you go again. I know, and yet you refuse to do the needful. Emeka, tell me, how long have we been dating? 5 good years, and you've refused to propose to me. When? Will you come and see my parents? When?
I know. But baby, you know I love you. You know there's nothing that will make me not to marry you. I am for you, Emeka is for you. My body and soul is for you, baby. You understand everything. I'll stop doing this now.
Emeka, all I'm asking for you is to engage me. Put the ring on my middle finger, please.
You see, listen, Chinelo, you see, putting a ring on your hand is not the problem. The problem here is doing the necessary things. You know I'm not buoyant. I can't see I'm managing my life. Chinelo, do you want me to go and steal up because I want to get married to you? It's very bad. Understand me. I love you and I'm here for you. If you want me to do anything for you, I can do anything for you. But just give me small time. And I'll come and do the necessary things.
Emeka, I love you. I love you. All I'm asking is just engage me. Then I will wait as long as you want. Emeka.
My brother, someone is cultivating her farmland. Yes. And that person is with a bigger hole. For her to open her mouth and tell you this thing, that means that someone is coming. And that person promised her marriage. You see?
Remember, we've not seen each other for this now. Are you not supposed to be happy seeing me?
Hey, Emeka, are you expecting me to be happy seeing you? Where is the ring I asked you to bring for me? Oh, you think I'm joking? Okay? Or that I'm not serious? Okay.
Chinelo, don't tell me it's because of this ring issue that you've been avoiding me. Huh?
Emeka, let me just tell you. Enough of all this your concaboo story. I'm not interested. I'm Makajo.
Chinelo. Please. Say yes to me.
So if I did not confront you, you don't know that you do this?
Omebekwa guy. Collect the ring. Yeah?
Achalogo, please say yes to me.
Yes. Aha. Aha.
Oh my God,
Aye.
I can't believe this.
Aye.
I love you, baby.
My friend.
Finally!
Yes. Well, life, me, you, everybody is happy, pa.
Yes.
Happy, pa, me, Mariam, your mata.
What?
Me, marry mata.
You marry her?
Me marry her.
No, not sweet. No. You marry her. What are you talking about? Me marry her, not you.
You were say it in that book too. Me, he marry her.
Besides me marry her. What do you mean?
Him marry.
She's my wife.
No.
Now here I dey talk you me. He marry him.
Me marry her, right?
Me marry him.
Not to you.
Him marry.
You
no.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Me marry her.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Say beautiful.
Beautiful. Me, Muhammad. I go Sabongari. I go bring one big cow for everything wey go happen for your marriage, you and your mother.
On my wedding day?
Inshallah.
Are you serious?
Yes, I go Sabongari, carry one big cow come. Your mother and me, you go marry together.
Okay.
This ring, me give him Yamutu.
No, me give him, not you.
Me give him Yamutu.
Okay.
Look at what you are doing to yourself. Eh? You are here crying because of a woman. A girl that doesn't care for anything she will lose. You are here crying. Do you know that the girls in this village are supposed to line up like this and you'll be signing the autograph on their chest? Fine boy like you are here crying. Yeah? Hey! You are insulting me.
Moment!
Everybody's seeking for comfort or consolation in time of distress. Everybody's seeking for comfort in time of sadness. Makopia majoka, lack of money, babu to you. Lack of money, because of solace. I cannot betray my love because of solace. I cannot destroy my peaceful home because I'm seeking for solace. Money and job, they all important, but my peaceful home is dear to me. Money and job, they are all important, but my peaceful home.
You see, I just feel like staying inside without coming down. In fact, let me sleep inside.
And if I don't mad them,
If I didn't mad them, one name.
That is it. Please, try and come out early tomorrow.
I thought you want to see Mama.
Sure. You know, without you, I'm worried.
Look at the time you're coming back again tonight.
You keep coming back late every single night, forgetting you kept a woman in this house.
Tell me, Ifeanyi, have I ever wronged you? What have I done to you that you're punishing me for?
My love, I only went out there to hustle for money. It's money I went to hustle. What would I possibly be doing out there?
What have I done to you, Ifeanyi? Did I offend you?
Why are you sounding like you didn't offend me? You can natural. It's only money.
I don't know what to believe anymore. Thanks to you, I no longer have my night meals.
I'm sorry. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Sinelo. My nyarinya. That's a matter. It's too sweet, man.
It's sweet too.
Sinelo. Yeah, man.
Come on! I said, first time shots.
La.
Online!
Babe!
You get mad, collect my babe! You get mad? Any job what you do for this girl, like, man, I let's fight today. Let's fight today.
Come, if you don't leave her alone, stand catch her Kubi. I will kill the two of you right now. If you don't leave her, I'll kill you. Kill you. Hey! I will kill you. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Baby, what are you doing here? What is going on? You're holding weapon. What is going on here? What are you doing here? What happened to me?
Let this swing go.
What? Lila! Don't leave her! You must do this on your house, in my own land! Hey! Leave her! Hey! Mohammed!
What is going on here?
You mean you don't know what is going on?
I don't know. I don't have any idea. What am I doing here?
Wait. Now you're Mohammed in my own land! Leave her! Let's go.
Fine. I'll be going back next tomorrow. Yes, I want to go and see how my business in Lagos is doing, and then from there, I will go to Ghana. Just a little visit.
Henry, just say you're tired of this our village. Which one? This Sunday you're going back. You didn't even say anything about these are local girls in this village. You're tired. You want to go back to your slave queens. Eh?
I know what you're saying, but then funny enough, it's not that.
It is. You just say you're tired. You just want to go back.
I'm not actually going back for any other person apart from this particular girl. She's very beautiful. And I will tell you for sure, one day, the girl have captured my heart. And I'm willing to forget any other person and focus on this particular girl.
I believe this thing you're saying. Which one is you? You that I know.
I'm being serious here. Okay, Charlie.
Serious with who? You can never stay with one person. Okay, I know you very well. Leave this to yourself. Which girl will make Henry? I know Henry stay without any other person. Well, I know you're just tired.
And be coming down. I cannot lie to you. You're my man. This particular girl is special. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, let me show you her picture. It's not like go ale deka.
No problems. So when are you? If you travel now, when are you come? The girl.
Do you see?
But right now that you're back, of course, I'll tell him my wife is back.
Okay, that would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, evening. Hello?
Oh. See. Is everything all right?
Yes. Are you ready to go out now?
Yes, you've been making calls, always on the phone. I hope everything is all right.
Everything is fine, my love.
No challenge?
No.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
No
Please
problem.
make sure you come back early. It's important.
Okay, I will.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going.
Take care. Bye. But I go well, though. Evening. There is nothing that man will give to me that will make me sleep with him. No, you have to understand. And I'll appreciate it if you can just stop. Stop this nonsense. For God's sake, I have told you already, never. Can you stop pushing this? Just butt out of my business. No, that's not going to happen. I appreciate you checking in on me. It's not necessary, okay? Oh, my husband just got in. Let me attend to him. All right, thank you. Honey, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Who are you talking to?
Chigozie, my cousin. He asked after you. He said, how are you? I said, you were good.
Oh, okay. How is he?
It's fine. So how did your day go?
My day, no, it's not finished yet. I just came to see you and get something and eat.
Okay, so I'll just fix you a bath while I make something for you to eat.
No, bad. Just food to eat, babe.
Just food to eat?
Yeah.
Is that why you did not hug me?
I did.
You didn't hug me properly. Get up and hug me. Where are you coming from at this time?
Ty.
Hey, don't patronize me. Don't try it. Who is she that you were with? Where have you been?
Which one is who?
Which woman were you with?
No woman anywhere. Say which woman? Which woman is what? See my love.
I am serious. Don't change the topic.
See my love. I didn't go. I went out with my friend. I accompanied my friend to Onitsha to buy building materials for his site. And guess what? I made some money. I made some money today. You see, if I had stayed back, my love, with that. Okay, see now. I made 30,000 naira from nowhere. All because I accompanied him to Onitsha. Eh?
Didn't you remember I was coming today?
Of course, I told Jane to prepare rice and stew for you now. I even told Mama.
Then why didn't you pick my calls?
My love, the phone was inside his car. We are just inside the market looking for good prices. Eh? If I did not go, would I have gotten this money? Eh? One hustle now. Eh? Yeah, I miss you.
I miss you, Ma.
Wait, see woman now. Eh? Though I know you're beautiful, quite alright. I know that I married right, but you don't come see.
I missed you.
No, baby.
Honey? My love. Let's go inside. Let's go and eat. Honey?
What is it now? Go and eat. Did I tell you I'm hungry? Did we talk about anything hunger?
You came back looking all moody and gloomy. I've asked you what the problem is. You refuse to talk to me.
I don't know the meaning of all this English. I said I don't want to eat. Eat your food.
What is happening?
Here.
Ifeanyi Ogene, what is it now? Why are you looking like this? What's the problem?
Mama, Biko, I tell him this thing. You should just leave me alone. Biko.
What is wrong?
Did I tell anybody I'm hungry?
No.
It's like...
Mama. Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Mama, what's going on?
What happened?
I don't know. I didn't do anything wrong. Mama, I even tried to touch him. He just moved away from me. I was wondering what was going on. I don't understand anything. What's happening?
Leave him. You know.
I don't know what happened.
Leave him. Whatever that is eating him up, when he leaves him, he will come back to you.
Did you do anything? I didn't do anything wrong.
Mama, talk to brother. I don't like this thing. Talk to him.
I will try. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go and eat.
Oh, Ifeanyi. Why are you no longer picking your calls? What could be wrong?
Oh,
Evelyn.
good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome back.
Thank you. Evelyn, send me the files and documents that I need to attend to today. Okay?
Okay. So, if I may ask, how was your trip?
It was good. The new site is nearing completion. Just few touches here and there.
Permit me to say congratulations, sir. I'll get the files ready.
Thank you, it's an order. Please send an appointment letter to Amai, making her the MD of the company. And she needs to resume early on Monday or forget about the job. Okay, please, get me the files now.
Yes. Yes.
Honey? Are you going out? I'm here to discuss something with you.
I'm not interested.
What do you mean you're not interested?
Ifeanyi, why are you talking to your wife like that? Your wife is talking to you, you're telling her you are not interested. What is happening? Eh?
The last time I checked, I don't have a wife.
What? Mama? Did you hear what you said? Did you hear him? What's the meaning of this? What's going on with him? Why is he... Mama, why am I losing my husband? Why is he just gradually fading into oblivion? What's going on? What's happening? Mama, do you know that the company I went for their interview, they sent me a letter. I was just appointed as their managing director, Mama. And they offered me an official house and a car. And I'm expected to resume work on Monday, which is in a few days. And now my husband just walks out on me. That's what I wanted to even discuss with him. He just walks out and he's not talking to me. What's going on?
Well, have you discussed with him to know what is hurting?
Mama, I have tried. Each time I try to talk to him, he will just walk out and snub me. The same old reaction. Why has he sentenced himself to a prison that I don't even understand? What is eating him up? Why can't he just open up and say, what is wrong with him?
And the worst of it is that he wouldn't say anything. He wouldn't even allow anybody to talk. He just sentenced himself to this kind of depression.
Mama, at this point, I am sick and tired of his attitude. You know what? You see that job? I am taking it. I'll be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Yes, to resume work on Monday, whether if I likes it or not. Yes, I do not want to lose my husband, but in the same vein, I do not want to lose my job. So I am traveling to Lagos, and that's fine now. Mama, don't talk to me. Talk to your son. Excuse me. Mama, please leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. Over to you, sir.
Amazing. Super amazing. You know, I never knew there's an easy way to go through the... I've been hitting dead walls.
Sir, did you go with the bow? Please just drop it. Thank you. You know, another time, if you want to do this, you just backspace.
Okay.
Then you scroll down to this point. This way. So it becomes super easy for you. Simple.
This is good. You know what? Yes, taking you out for lunch. You just...
Oh, come down, sir. I can't go out to lunch. That's because I still have a lot of work to see to.
Walk. Come on, you just did something. We need to go.
I understand some of the time, sir.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is great. So I can just do backspace like you said. And,
yes. It's quite simple. I'll be at my office.
It's not simple. It's just that you're brilliant.
Thank you.
No wonder the good grades. Now I understand. Thank you.
I'll be at my office.
All right. All right. Mm.
Babes, please, when you're going for lunch, do let me know, okay?
Can you just shut up? Shut up and cut the pretense. Do you think I do not know what is going on? Do you see me as a fool? But I promise you, this is not going to last forever. Mark my words.
Evelyn, why shush me up like this? What's going on with you? I am talking to you. What's your problem? Come on, did I do something to you? Why are you being, what's the meaning of what called the pretense and all that stuff? What's going on?
Get out. Leave me alone. Do you now also expect me to lose my job? Haven't you done enough?
Let me assume you're having a bad day. We'll revisit this conversation.
Pretenders do the worst.
Ifeanyi, Mom, this one you're sitting like this, is everything all right? Eh?
Everything is right.
It's been 5 days now since your wife traveled. But I've not seen any sign of you missing her. Is everything all right, Mom?
Any sign of missing who? Who is my wife in the first place? I want to know. Why are you calling my wife? And why should I miss someone that is using me to cover up? How is that possible? Mama, please don't even talk about wives anything close to me. Abiko.
Your wife, I don't understand though. Eh? What happened?
What happened is that I cannot, someone that is prostituting in the city can never be my wife.
Prostitute?
Yes, Amara is a prostitute. That's what she's doing in the city. Leave that work or whatever. That is what she's doing in the city. So we know now. I mean, it's open. I know now. Yes.
A prostitute?
Yes. It's not allegedly. I am very, very sure. That's what she's doing.
This is a very big allegation. You should know that. Are you very sure of what you're saying?
Allegation. Okay. You know, I've been keeping this to myself. But since it's now like this, let me just show you. Okay? It's an allegation. Allegation.
Take. Look.
Eh? Hey. Mban. Who is this one?
Okay. It's
Hey! Mban, no. I can't believe this is happening. Eh? Hey. Hey, whoa. Hey.
Give it to her when she comes in.
What? This is what I'm supposed to be enjoying. And not that witch, that uncircumcised animal that I brought here. That girl literally stole everything from me. Does that mean he buys her lunch? It simply means that she has spread those her elephant legs for him. So they've done it. They've done it. If she's hungry, she'll find her way to my office. get angry. Rubbish.
What is it?
Sir, I came to say thank you for lunch. But honestly, you shouldn't have. The thing is, I told you earlier I brought my own lunch. I was just waiting to finish what I was doing so I could eat.
You know you're a very bad liar. You and I know that you didn't bring any food. The reason why you're saying all this is because you don't want me to take you out for lunch.
I'm not lying, sir.
Amara, don't lie to me. As you can see, I'm doing something. I have loads of work here, so you can go to your office.
Thank you, sir, for lunch.
Oh, mouse. I saw a mouse here. Did you see a mouse? Did you see a mouse in there? I saw one here. Where did this mouse run to? Where did he run to? Who is there? Knock, knock. Yes, so who is it? So? Mama, simply my daughter. Hey! How are you? I'm fine, Mama. Nice, Amara, your friend. She's fine.
Hey, you didn't know.
Mama, I believe you are healthy and hearty.
I'm fine. How are you and your friend Amara? How is she?
I'm fine.
What's she doing now in Lagos?
I believe you two still talk.
Once, yes.
Is Ifeanyi your husband around?
Yes, yes.
I'd like to speak to him.
Okay, wait, let me go. Come inside and sit down.
Oh, no, don't worry. There won't be need for that. I'm in a hurry. I will want to go back with the evening flight.
Okay. Wait, let me come.
Okay.
If you know,
Ifeanyi, how are you?
What do you want?
Amara, your wife. Talk to her. Call her to order. I didn't bring her all the way from this village to Lagos for her to sleeping around with men. Tell her to leave my boss alone. I do not want to lose my job.
so it is true that Amara is doing prostitution in Lagos.
I believe that question is not for me.
What has my son done to deserve Amara hurting him this way?
I hope I've made myself clear. Warn your wife to stay away from my boss.
Hey. Hey!
You know, you'll be coming with me to Abuja for the International Business Summit.
What?
Evelyn, what are you doing here?
Sir, this woman here is married and she abandoned her husband in the village.
Alright. What is she saying? She's saying the truth?
Yes, sir, she is. I tried to tell you a lot of times, but you just wouldn't listen.
Evelyn, leave us.
You don't get it. I am trying to save you from committing fornication with a married woman. Sir.
Sit down. Is this the reason why you have refused to give in to my request? Even when you know that I'm ready to do anything for you?
Yes, sir. I love my husband. No amount of wealth can make me cheat on him. He might be poor. He's still my everything.
Ma, I'm very sorry. I didn't know. I would have stopped a long time ago.
It's okay. It's not your fault. But sir, something came to mind. Since the branch in my village is ready, I would like to request that you please transfer me to that branch so I can be close to my family. You know, since I got back to Lagos the second time, myself and my husband, we had some issues, and I feel like if you transfer me to that branch, it will help me grow closer once again to my husband.
Oh, Moago. You know I'm from Enugu State as well. I'm from Umuibe. And I have a friend from Umuago. He's a popular guy.
What's his name? I might just know him.
Like I said, he's a popular guy. You might know him. His name is Ifeanyi Akachukwu.
That's my husband. What a small world I made.
Ifeanyi is your husband.
So you asked to see me?
How did you get the nude picture of Amara that you sent to me? Evelyn, she called you friend. All you could do is try selling her to me.
I was scared. Scared of losing my job. And you've been threatening my job over her.
Are you saying that everything that happened is my fault?
Yes, it is your fault, sir. But I'm sorry. I tried talking to you about it. I tried telling you that Amara is married. But you wouldn't listen. You didn't even give me time to explain things to you. You were carried away by your lust.
Alright. I take full responsibility and you should do so as well. Wait. Look. I'll still promote you to the position that I promised you earlier. But Evelyn, you have to follow me to her husband's house so we can make things right there, please. Yes. Her husband is my best friend and I don't want to be a betrayer. I don't want to be that friend that stabs his friend at the back.
What are you doing here? Huh? So if you honey me, if you honey me one bit, what are you doing here? What are you? If you come close to me, I'll slap the hell out of you. Are you mad? So you shamelessly showed your face here.
You shamelessly showed your face here after sleeping with my friend.
I did not sleep with your friend.
Get out of this house.
Get out. Hear us out first.
Just get out.
Can you just let... Honey, what are you doing? Jane, can you talk to your brother? What, Mama? But why? Talk to your son.
Mama, let them leave you.
I'll just tell them.
Yes, I promise I didn't do anything. Mama, just listen to me, please. Mama, please.
Leave here.
Please.
She didn't sleep with me. Yeah? She didn't sleep with me. I tried using Evelyn to get to her, but she refused. Yeah? Her love for you is strong, Biko.
I didn't even know that's why you were angry. That is true. I am sorry. I didn't know that was your reason for hating her. Evelyn here was the one who was always calling her, convincing her to sleep with her boss so she could get promoted in the company.
What? What are you saying? Evelyn, please leave me alone. I have told you severally that I cannot date or sleep with Mr. Henry. Why are you still pestering me? I won't do it, no matter what it takes. I love my husband. Listen. What? Even if he gives me his whole company, I still will not sleep with him. So respect yourself and stop calling me. I love my husband too much for that. I will not cheat on him. Evelyn, if you persist, I will stop taking your calls. Do you understand me? Is that your friend, Evelyn? Yes. She keeps pestering me to sleep with her boss because she just wants to be promoted. I don't know the position she's vying for. I really do not care. But I've told her several times and she's refused to hear me. And at this point, I'm getting fed up. I've told her I don't want to sleep with him. I don't know what she wants with me. And the only reason I don't want to tell my husband is because I don't want him to see her as bad influence. But this is getting too much and it's becoming irritating.
That is so bad. What kind of a friend is that?
I am sorry. Please, forgive my friend here. It's all my fault. I was desperate for the new position Mr. Henry here promised me. Mr. Henry here pressured me into convincing her to accept being his girlfriend, but she never succumbed. So I had to take a nude picture of her just to show that I was trying. Please forgive her. She never slept with him. Please, it's all my fault.
Annie, why, please? I didn't know she was your wife. I didn't know. I did all that, but I didn't know if she was your wife. Immediately I found out that she's your wife. That's why I brought her here. Biko, one while. I didn't have anything to do with that. I was just trying. Nothing happened. I didn't do anything. Biko.
Honey, I didn't do anything. I didn't even know that was why you were angry. Please, I am so sorry. It's all my fault. Please, forgive her.
Mama, why do you think I can do something like this?
I am so sorry.
You've been the cause of all this.
Mama, please,
Biko.
Please, I am sorry. It's all my fault. Please, put the blame on me. I am truly sorry. Please, forgive her. Please.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I know.
Evelyn.
Hey.
Sorry for all they put you through, sorry. Help! Mama, I've always known you are a nice woman. Come. Sorry, my dear, come.
We are sorry.
My love, I don't know how I can ever thank you for being so caring and understanding person to me. No more, I can't survive without you. No more, I can't survive without you. Iligo bibo, imawa go busy, ibu bankebo. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow go by. Chai, man, I want to go for my temptation. is very sweet. In a fellow, man, I want to go for my temptation there. Darling, darling, oh, this love is adorable. In a fellow, man, I want to go for my temptation there. When true love is involved, one day in a fellow, man, I want to go for my temptation there. When love would they involve, one day in a fellow, man, I want to go for my temptation.